my channel. My name is Sharifah Mbazike. I know it has been quite a while without me appearing on your screens, your phone screens, your laptop, and you've missed my notifications that I'm back. Yeah, so hopefully I'm back for real. But in today's video it's going to be quite different because you all know how I love using natural ingredients. I've been using honey, milk, salt, sugar, turmeric. So what happened during the month of Ramadan? Truly I stopped using them because I do not want to spoil my fasting, because you know honey sometimes dips down, milk can can slide off and you leak some sugar. So I stopped using it. But what have I been using? Because remember I posted a video about how to use honey face mask the right way. Actually I was struggling with dark spots and this is what happened. So you see they've cleared. Actually this is my face. When you look at it, this is my face. I don't have Vaseline on it. I only did my eyebrows, I only did my lips as well, but my skin is so pale. Like I don't have anything on my skin because of this video, because I want to take you through all the skincare steps that I've been using during the Ramadan period to maintain my skin hydrated and also to clear out dark spots, because previously I had a breakout and it was a serious breakout. That's why you can see I have some, but alhamdulillah this part, all of it was affected and it's only now the few that are remaining, and this is the skincare routine that I've been using. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and let's dive into the purpose of today's video. So my first step is I always do scrubbing after cleansing my face, because I already washed my face, I told you that. Yeah, so the first thing is I'm going to be using this charcoal salt scrub from Avienne. Actually it's really a good scrub. So it draws bacteria away from your skin, it removes excess oils from your skin, it prevents your skin from acne breakouts, and also it removes the dirt from your skin as well. So, and again, another ingredient, the salt which is there, this will help us remove the dead skin cells on our skin and also at the same time cleanse and clear our skin. Yeah, so this is what I use as my first step, and how I use it I'm going to be showing that. Yeah, because in this video we do practicals. So far this is how it looks like. I've used some. Yeah, you see. So I'm going to be, remember when you're using scrub, you scrub once in a week. Yeah, this is with scrubs, not with face masks. Yeah, so I just get like this one, then make sure that you've washed your face very well, and it is best sometimes to have some water on it. However, mine has dried out. So you start scrubbing your skin in a circular motion, and remember to be soft and gentle with your skin. So you will still feel the salt particles in this scrub, because salt doesn't normally dissolve unless otherwise. Yeah, so but you feel the particles and it has a beautiful scent and I love it for that. And another amazing thing about this scrub is that it has some cleansing foam in it. You will see. Yeah, so after you scrub, I'll tell you to scrub like for a minute, okay? So scrub like for a minute. So you have to be careful since you'll be fasting, or if you're not fasting. To my friends who are not Muslims, it is okay, you'll still feel the taste of the salt. Yeah, so you can scrub but be gentle. If you have wounds on your skin, please, if you have pimple wounds on your skin, just be soft and gentle, because this salt will try to, I don't know, you feel its presence. You feel that sweet pain, that sweet weird pain. Yeah, but since I don't have wounds on my skin, yeah, so this is what happens. You see? Now I think now I'm done scrubbing my face. However, I've not scrubbed it for a minute, but it's almost like 40 seconds, something like that. Yeah, so now I'm going to wash it off, then we go on our second step. Trust me, this process has really helped me. That's why you see my skin glow. I don't know if it's glowing, but I see it as glowing compared to the previous videos. Yeah, so let me go wash it off and I'll show you that foam which is in this beautiful scrub. Get some water because I want to show you what's happening with this scrub as you're washing. You see the foam? You see that kind of foam? Yeah, so if you're washing, it forms a leather. Are you seeing that? Yeah, that kind of leather. So after you'll be washing, at the same time it is like cleansing. Yeah, so you'll be cleansing at the same time. So in this scrub, the reason why I love it, it is 2 times. It is a cleanser and a scrub at the same time. So I'm done washing my face and you can see now. Yeah, so what we just need to pan to dry your face. So now after, my second step is I always apply my face mask, and I always use the Nutrimin facial mask. So this facial mask is going to help you remove the blackheads, the acne, the rashes, the age spots, impurity on your skin, and also at the same time it will deepen the open pores and detoxifies your skin at the same time. But if I'm to explain it in my local way, is that this scrub, since it contains turmeric ingredient in it and it has clay. Remember, a clay is a detoxifier and turmeric has more benefits when it comes to healing skin problems. The first thing is it will help you fade the dark spots, and if you're having developing pimples, since there is clay in it, clay will suck those fats, okay, will suck out those fats. So the beauty about using this turmeric facial mask, it's because of the ingredients which are in here, the clay and the turmeric and some other components. Of course, it cannot be just like that. And so when you apply it and leave it for some minutes, you will start feeling that pulling sensation of feeling on your skin. Okay, yeah, so I already mixed my turmeric mask. So if you want to see how to mix this beautiful turmeric mask, I'm going to leave the link under my description box. Okay, yeah, so the first thing is, always now after us panty drying our skin, the next step is to apply. Remember, the main component of using this is that we want to fade away our dark spots and also suck out the new young developing pimples. So let's apply. Yeah, so when you're applying, you can use a brush, but I mainly use my hands because they help me massage my skin beautifully and I feel all the ingredients in my skin. So this is what I always do. I always focus on the areas that are more affected and I apply there. So after applying, I'm going to leave this facial mask for like 10 to 15 minutes until I feel that pulling sensation feeling on my skin. Then I wash it off. And washing it off, you can use warm water or you can use cold water. All types of waters are can be used. Okay, yeah, so it's not so specific that you have to use cold water or warm water. But the beauty about using warm water is to open your pores, and the beauty about using the cold water is that the cold water helps you to close all your pores. Okay, yeah, so that's the main reason why you would want to use those two. Yeah, so but basically in this video, I personally am going to use warm water. So after applying your mask, as you can see that my face is filled with this beautiful mask, and trust me, whenever I'm doing skincare, this is happiness to me. This is something that can make me really happy. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries up. I wash it off, then I come back, we go to our next step. Trust me, this skincare process is affordable and cheap, and you can have a beautiful skin rather than using other expensive, or you neglect your skincare because of the expensive products. So I got you covered, darling. Yeah, so let us wait for this to dry up, then wash it off, then I'll come back for our next step. I felt like showing you this part because now I can't talk very well because you know that pulling is on my skin, but this is so far how we've come. And I don't want you to think that I just washed it off immediately. No, I'm someone who respects skincare order, and I have skincare discipline. Yeah, so it is drying up. So after drying, I'll just wash this off. Then after washing it off, that's when I'll be back. But pray for me, because I love the process and I enjoy it, because I know all the benefits that I want are going to be received. So please keep on watching, don't go away. So I'm done washing it off, guys. Just look at my skin, how amazing it is. Yeah, so what we are going to do is I'm going to be panty drying again. You can see. Yeah, so after doing this, then my next step that I always do, I always get my olive oil, and I get my olive oil, then I massage it on my skin. Then if we go back to the natural ingredients, I've been using milk or honey, but mostly I've been using honey, and I use milk sometimes as my cleanser. So what I do is that I get some drops of my olive oil, then I start massaging it on my skin. Or if you don't have olive oil, you can use avocado oil, or you can use aloe vera gel. Yeah, so I want to use olive oil because since we are in the month of Ramadan, I don't want my skin to be so pale. I want to glow as well, so you can see that. So after massaging it on my skin, so this helps to improve on my blood circulation. Yeah, so after applying my olive oil, and again use my serum. Yeah, I use my serum. So most of you know serums, but I use this P&W serum. The P&W serum, it says that this is specifically formulated for strong activity on the black spots. It acts as the root of the over-pigment formation. It also has anti-aging properties. It does not contain harmful ingredients and is hydroquinone free. So that's why I use this serum and this serum for my skin. And this is how it looks like, okay? Yeah, so I get this, then I start applying it onto my affected areas with dark spots, okay? Yeah, so this place, and also this area, and also around here, then I massage, okay? I massage until it dissolves in my skin. Yeah, because the main purpose here for this skincare is to clean and remove and fade the dark spots. So this is what I do. Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me what I want. I'm grateful if you are still watching. Thank you for watching, and if you are new here, please don't leave without subscribing. Join me, join my family. Yes, join the Sharifah mbazike nation. Yeah, so this is what I've been doing, and this is how I've been maintaining my skin during Ramadan without using natural ingredients. It has been an amazing moment to have you. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and stay safe. I wish you a happy Ramadan still, because we are still remaining with some other days. To those who are not fasting, you can as well join us and we pray together. Stay safe. Bye bye.